On number 16, oops. What's going on here? Okay. We're solving for y. So y is right here, and I want to move everything away from it. Okay, so I'm going to start by moving this right here, minus 3/7 x. I'm going to move this at the same time for the sake of time, minus 2, because they're both positive, and the opposite is to subtract them. So I'm just going to move them right over here as they are. So when I do that, that one cancels, that one cancels. I'm left with 3.6y equals negative 3/7 x minus 2. Now all I have to do is divide, because these are being multiplied. So I have divided by 3.6 divided by 3.6. So when I do that, those cancel. I'm left with y equals. Now I'm going to pull up my calculator on the screen here in just a second. When you punch this into your calculator, let's move it over here. Okay, I just said that this has to go into both of these, right? Each one. So whenever I do this, I'm going to say parenthesis, because I want to make sure that my calculator knows that this is a fraction by itself. Okay, parenthesis, negative 3 divided by 7, close that parenthesis, and then divide it by the 3.6. Now when I do that, I get a decimal on my calculator. It doesn't look the same as yours. At this point, you'll use the F to D button. I'm going to go math fraction, enter. So I get a negative 5/42. The x is still there, minus 2 divided by 3.6 gives me, again, a fraction. Change it, or excuse me, a decimal, change it to a fraction. That gives me 5/9. So right here I have 5/9. This is my final answer. Go ahead and do your extra.